Okay, today you're going to learn how to translate a figure. And if you remember, translate means to slide. So we are going to slide the figure. Just before we start, I want you to remember that the x-axis is the horizontal line that goes left to right. If you go left, it is negative, and if you go right, it is positive. The y-axis is the vertical line that goes up and down. When you go up, it's positive. When you go down, it's negative. Please make sure you remember that because that's going to be helpful later on. Okay, so this says to translate the figure 5 units right and 3 units down. So I'm actually going to start right here with the algebraic rule. 5 units right. Okay, so that's my x-axis. I know that going right is 5 and it's positive. So I write that as x plus 5. Okay, and 3 units down, okay, that's on the y, and that's negative, so I write that as y minus 3. Okay. Now, the pre-image is the original image, so all you have to do here is record the ordered pairs. So A is located at -4 up +2. B is over -2 up to 5, and C is located at -2 up to 3. Okay. Now, to translate the figure, I'm just going to slide every single point 5 units right and 3 units down. So let's start with A. 5 units right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That is now what we call A prime. Okay. Because it's going to be the image. I'm going to do that for all of the points. So, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3. That is going to be B prime. Okay? And then C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we translated the figure 5 units right and 3 units down. This was my pre-image, the original, and this is my image. And notice that you know it's image because of this prime mark next to the letters, okay? And the last step is just to record the new ordered pair. So A is at 1, -1, B is at 3, 2, and C is at 3, 0. So now we'll do another one. This time we are going to move it 4 units left and 2 units up. The algebraic rule, 4 units left, that tells me to go in a negative direction, okay? So left is going to be x minus 4, and 2 units up would be positive, so y plus 2. My original ordered pairs, I have 1, -2, 5, -2, and 3, -5 for the C. Okay, so now I'm going to move each point. So I'm going 4 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 up, 1, 2. Okay, that's A prime. Then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. That's going to be my B prime. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That's going to be my C prime. Okay, notice that again, the prime marks so that we can distinguish that this is the pre-image and now this is the new image. Okay, so now just record the ordered pairs. Oops. Okay, so A prime is at -3, 0. B prime is at 1, 0, and C prime is at -1, -3. Okay, so now you have just translated this figure 4 units left and 2 units up. Okay? And the last thing you might see is you might be given the translation by the algebraic rule, and you need to be able to know how to write it in the directions. So this positive tells me to go to the right, so 4 units right. The y is my up and down, so this tells me to go down. The negative tells me to go down. Okay, so x is left to right. Negative means left. Okay, so 5 units left. Y is the up and down. Positive tells me to go up, so this would be 10 units up. Okay, positive going right, negative going down. So the x is the left to right, and the y is the up or down, okay? So remember that translate means to slide, and all you do, you slide each point, the directions given, okay? Label the new figure with the prime marks, and make sure you write the before and after ordered pairs.